Hello everyone. So the time has come to finally start putting color on these things. It is another gorgeous day, so join me. Alright, so not too bad for a first coat. It's a little thin there, but that's alright. I'll come back with the second coat in about 15 minutes. And then I'll figure out how to get into the little places that's difficult to get into. So it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and apply another coat. See if I can get better coverage on these. So if it's one thing that's difficult about working outside is dust and bugs. And I think that little bump there used to be a bug. Now he's permanently painted into my roller mount. We're looking better on coverage. So we will let those dry for about 15 minutes. These are almost dry. I figured while I was waiting for them to dry, I'd flip the trailer over and paint the bottom. And I noticed a little bit of rust coming through there. So I'm going to strip that back down and put more primer on it. So that's reshot in primer now. I'll have to wait a little bit before I can paint this in. But I can start back there. Very little overspray. Good. Alrighty, so I decided to go ahead and paint the sides of the trailer as much as I could. And believe it or not, I didn't get that much overspray on the wheels. So it is not perfect by any means. There are runs in it because when the wind blows, you have to get the can of paint closer to your work. When that happens, you get runs. But it's actually starting to look like something now. So now I need to clear coat these. Alright, I have a problem. I just shot the clear on that white and it crazed it. Made an orange peel or whatever you want to call it. It is not good. I'm glad I didn't do those other two. I'm gonna have to redo this piece. Alright, so no clear coat. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and tarp that. It's supposed to rain kind of overnight, but it's actually going to be tomorrow morning, very early, probably start around 3:30 in the morning, and of course I don't want that getting wet. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers as an initial goal, but with that I will see you later.